Yes. Hope you are able to see the screen. I'll just continue then.
Yeah.
So let us say with reference to RFQ. I'll click on this reference to RFQ. RFQ number. One RFQ number, if you can.
666 something 600000141 141 or 142.
Oh. Just a minute, I'll just check that. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 6 zeros. So I have taken that RFQ number followed by so many zeros, 141. That automatically again takes me to the details. Now let us assume that I have more than one material here, or same in the case with PR also. Then I have to select them, which material, for which material I would like to create a purchase order based on RFQ or PR, whatever. So same procedure remains. I have to click on adopt. So it lasts for the price. If it is fine, then I'll just continue. It is showing next delivery date is so and so, because we would have defined it as 30 days, because of which it is showing this. So if you agree still, you can proceed, enter. As you can see, it is yellow color. You can overwrite and proceed. This is all fine. And see, it is reading info record also. So I'll just save it. So I have created PO. I get this PO number 22632, 22631 wrong. Now this is in ME21 screen. Now let us see what is the difference with 21 and 21N. If I take 21N, I'll take 21N. So here we have these many views. Make a note of this. We have document overview. This is called document overview. This is header. This part is called header, and below whatever you have with respect to item details. So header details, item details, and document overview. We have these views. And in this, we have variant. This is called variant. Here, if I just click on my purchase requisitions, I'll get a list of all purchase requisitions that I have created. They appear here, purchase requisitions. So in the header view, we have these things. organization data, partners, that is the vendor, in fact, partner address, then conditions, will take up that bit later. What are conditions, how to define conditions, net price, and so on. So that will come a bit later. How to create PO, let us understand that. These are payment terms and conditions. All these things will be based on, while creating vendor itself, we would have defined this, and accordingly, if there is any change, then to be defined. Additional data, validity, start, end, etc. So status, whether this particular PO is set to release or not, what is the quantity that is ordered for, how much is delivered, how much is yet to be delivered, and so on. So payment process, of course, finance related to that. Now this generally we work on organization data here. Organization data, where we need to provide purchase organization, purchasing group, and company code details. Here we have item view, where we can provide the details of a particular item material. So we have that information available here. This is item view, header view, item view, and document overview. These things you need to remember. Now you have the standard PO. I have to select here a standard PO, and who is the vendor that I need to enter that here. Now in this screen as well, if I want to create purchase order based on purchase requisition, let us assume, then I select one of these PRs. Observe this. See, in Amazon or Flipkart, if you have already purchased something, you have an option add to cart, isn't it? Have you done that? Add
Yes.
to cart.
Yeah.
Here you have this basket. Can you see this? Shopping cart.
Yeah.
So I'll simply drag this PR number and drop it on this cart. So you can observe that all details are furnished automatically. Getting? Nikhil, probably this is something what you have worked.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Isn't it?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
So this is what he has worked, in fact. And if I proceed with this is based on PR. So what is the difference between 21 and 21N? In 21N, you have item and header view together, whereas in 21, item view will be taken later. Initially, we have prerequisites and header details being given, like purchasing organization, and also we are going to provide vendor details, start date or PO, document date. So these things we provide in 21 screen separately, then it takes to item related. Getting? In this, we have item view, header view, and document view together. That's the difference. Hope you got it.
Yes.
So you had an issue, Nikhil,
Which one, sir?
in creating PR. Did
No,
got
sir.
rectified?
Yeah. Done. Yesterday's, right?
Yeah, yes. I'm just asking if
Yeah, I got it, sir.
I
Yeah, I
had
got it.
posted you how to proceed. Well, so I don't want to create based on PR RFQ. If I want to create without referring to any of the earlier documents, what I need to do is I have to provide vendor. I'll take some vendor. And vendor should be in relation with purchasing organization. If you give separate vendor, then if it is not defined, it will not work. System will throw error. So these are the details. What is that material? 7007
370.
370. Yeah, I'll take this material. I enter only the quantity. Let us assume I have given only these two. Here again, we have this account assignment category and item category, which we have already seen in PR screen. So item numbers, it should system will generate it as 10, 20, 30, etc. Now you observe I have given only these two details. Material number I have given, quantity I have given, and I have given this Ptpl, ppg, and so on. So I'll just enter this. System will ask if some detail is missing. System will be asking. So this vendor is not created for Ptpl. So this is what I told. If at all you provide a different vendor, system will throw that error. Probably this is. Can you mention some vendor which we have worked until now?
9999 sir.
9999?
60 sorry.
Yeah, thank you. So I'll just enter these two, material and quantity. So whatever is missing, system will ask for that. Enter plant. Have to enter the plant. Now you are seeing here in status it was showing red color. That means there is some error or some information is not furnished, which is required. Then system will show that in red. If it is in yellow, then it is a caution. You can still proceed if you are sure. And if it is not showing any such symbol, or if it is showing green, then document is okay. So as you can see here, material data, the details of the material data, quantity, and delivery schedule. So as per the plan, 30 days, whatever you would have defined while creating material. So based on that, it shows this is about under and over delivery tolerance with reminders, what we have already defined while creating vendor, while creating PIR and so on, whatever details are already furnished. So it will be reading from that. This is gross price, these conditions, PB, XX, PB, 00, these two are standard condition types. I'll come to that conditions bit later, it's a separate topic. We can maintain these conditions without entering net price here. System should automatically take the price based on predefined conditions. That will come a bit later. I'll tell you how to maintain such conditions. So and so on. These are the details what you can see under item. So in this particular screen, we have item view, header view, and document overview, all three together. So here I am not referring purchase requisition, I am not referring RFQ, neither I am looking into contract. We have not discussed that. So without reference of any previous documents, I am directly creating PO. So I have entered vendor, I have entered material and other details. I'll save it. So I'll save it. I'll get a PO. So we have seen today how to create PO based on PR, RFQ, and direct. These three things. Contract I'll take up. I'll tell you how to do it. A scheduling agreement and contract. These two topics we have. That is again separate. So we'll have to discuss that, outline agreements. Under that, these two topics we'll discuss, and after we discuss that, we can create one more PO based on contract as well. So I'll just end it here for today. I'll be sharing these videos a bit later. You can look into it. Fine then, thank you.